update on Bitcoin. As you can see, the pattern has failed. It got rejected by the 20 and dropped. But it appears that it's going to come all the way down here. As y'all can see, I had this written. Was this back in October when I gave all these possibilities, and it actually just went ahead and went up instead of dropping down to recover these candles over here. Yeah, I think that's what they're doing. So clearly it's coming right down, all the way down here to the 37,000. I remember back then when I made this at first, I was dreading the fact that it may do that, and I guess that's what it's doing now. Coming all the way back down to 37. So I actually believe that it definitely should be the low. That's why I had it written down here for so long. I didn't expect for it to come down here into the end, but I'm pretty sure we're gonna get a massive move as soon as we touch this line, though. We have to. I see there's still more here, but I can see how this could be technically kind of recovered already in their eyes. But I mean, it's still a possibility it could even drop down to 30. But that's the only candles that's left that hasn't been recovered. But I was always worried about these candles right here for the longest, though, as y'all can see way back here. But I believe that's what we're hitting. But at this point in time, we about to get a reversal, though. We about to come back up and probably hit this 20 one more time. So we come back up to around 45,000. I'd probably say around that range. And then we'll see. But most likely it's going to reject. And it's going to drop back down here all to the 37K. Then if you look on the weekly chart, right? On the weekly chart, you see we still been steadily going up. I mean, it's obviously a longer chart, but you can see how we've been steadily going up. I mean, it's a higher low, but just on a way bigger time frame. And like I told y'all, that's one hit to the high, two hits to the high. So I was already expecting the next move to go up. And as y'all can see, that actually made 3 hits to the low. That's 1, 2, 3. So boom. I mean, it looked like it's pretty good to go. Honestly, now, I mean, it's almost another thing you can really prevent it from making this next move up. But this is a weekly chart, so I mean, we about to have a lot of green weeks and have a move like this, to continue on to our level 2 in the overall weekly pattern, monthly pattern, however you want to put it, same difference. Boom, you see it now. And if you look at it on a monthly, it appears that it's going to look like a big W. That's what it looked like. But you see that way different charts show different things. So let's see this for hourly. As we can see right here, hitting the 20. And you see the size of this candlestick. So it's going to break the 20 now. It's going to come up here. Like I said, at least up here to this 50. It's coming to this 50, probably spike. We might get rejected. But like I said, I was expecting around 45K. So it's around this range. So yeah, we get a nice little spike and get rejected. But we'll see. If we break 45K and get out this gap right here to over 47, I mean, we'll already be on our way up. But like I said, I'm actually thinking it might as well come back down and recover that candlestick since it's already down there. I don't see why not. And like I just showed y'all the longer time frames. Yeah, I mean, once we hit down here, like I said, I'm expecting a little bit around 37,000 right here. Around this area, the same line that's been sitting here for the longest, because that is super support. So yeah, that's what I'm expecting. But like I said, come up here, 45, reject, and come all the way down here. And then since it's it's Saturday, so yeah, Monday they're gonna drop that thing so fast. It's gonna be a drop like this right here. It's gonna be a super drop, a spike down, and then a recovery. So honestly, I don't know. They could actually spike this thing all the way down here if they really wanted to, and have a really, really good recovery. Oh, matter of fact, that's what they're gonna do. They have to, because you can see the 200 EMA right here on the daily. I mean, I don't see why not. They may as well come touch it, because I don't remember the last time they touched a 200 EMA on the daily. Well, it appears that maybe this may have never happened. This might be the first touch on the 200 EMA on the daily. So yeah, that's what I'm really thinking. It could really come back down here and hit this 200 EMA and recover all the candlesticks, because I mean, like I said, with a nice spike just like this right here, that'll be a good move. But it's gonna come up, boom, then it's going to be a strong recovery. It has to. Because as y'all can see, the 20 and the 50 is still up here. It's not even below, really. So it's like, it's going to be just a quick drop and then quick recovery, man. That's what I'm expecting. But I mean, that's going to be a good opportunity. You know, this zone right here, I mean, especially here, I don't expect it to go too far below this. But like I said, it is a possibility to come all the way back down to 30K. And that'll be the spike. They hit this 200 EMA on the daily. That'll be a good thing. Then we'll see a reversal. Cause don't forget now, we've seen plenty of coins go up, you know, mad percentages in a day. And don't be surprised. I mean, Bitcoin can easily go up. Could hit this 30K and go back up to 50K. You know what I'm saying? In a day, if it really wanted to. Cause anything's a possibility. And I'm pretty sure that's something crazy that they probably plan on doing. Because it's just a percentage game. Just because it's called Bitcoin, you know, if it go 50% here, it'll be the same going up 50% on ICP, ACH, anything. It's the same 50%, just a different name. But yeah, that's what I'm expecting for Bitcoin though, man. But anyways, anything I just said is not financial advice at all. Y'all grown, y'all make your own decisions, but like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.